Come on, একাই কথা বলে যাচ্ছি, লোক পাগল ভাবছে। দুপুরবেলা রোদ উঠে গেছে মাথার উপরে, and this net guy is running and he's talking to the camera, okay, all by himself, no one is there with him, so it's like completely I've gone mad. But you know, why am I doing this? I want to Hey, good morning guys. So I am ready to begin today's 12-kilometer cross country this morning. It's totally foggy outside. The time is 6:45 and I'm on the track. It's been more than 6 months I ran more than 10 kilometers. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, it's 6:45, but it seems like 5:45. So my plan is I'll try to run 10 miles today.
10
yeah.
miles?
Yeah, there is 16 kilometers, I think.
Okay, he's going to run 16 kilometers. Okay.
Yeah.
And any target like pace?
No, I don't have any pace target.
Okay.
My average pace is like 5 minutes, 5 or 5:30.
Okay.
That's my average.
So here I'm setting up my Runtastic app, this one, where I can see what is the pace I am maintaining. So let's start running. So it will count till 15 and then it will start.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1 and
activity started.
So let's run. So it's going to be 2 kilometers very soon, and I'm maintaining a pace of 7 minutes per kilometer for the first 2 kilometers. And from the third kilometer, I will try to maintain a pace of 6 minutes per kilometer. Let's see. Yeah, you can hear the sound.
Distance 2 kilometers. Duration 14 minutes 8 seconds. Pace 6 minutes 58 seconds per kilometer.
Yeah, 6.58, so it's near about 7 kilometers. From this round, from the third kilometer till 10th kilometer, I will try to maintain a pace of 6 minutes per kilometer. It's going to be tough, I know, because it is not that usual for me. After a long time, I'm challenging myself, and yeah, I will try my best to finish this. Yeah, so it's about 3 kilometers and
Distance 3 kilometers. Duration 20 minutes 2 seconds. Pace 5 minutes 54 seconds
yes,
per
so successfully I am maintaining the pace of 6 minutes per kilometers. It's a little lesser than 6 minutes, but yeah, I have to maintain this pace for another 7 kilometers. Last 2 will be a little faster. It's 7:15 in the morning and I've just completed 3.5 kilometers and I'm completely drenched with sweat. So one of the reasons is like I have started late today. So if I'm going for a long run, I should have started much earlier, before 6 at least. 5 is superb, but at least before 6. The sun is there on the top and all the fogs are just vanished, so there is no more foggy weather. Okay, the sun has removed everything and it's completely clear. Now I can see how late I am. So next time whenever I'm going for a long run, I will start it before 6 in the morning.
Duration 26 minutes 12 seconds. Pace 6 minutes 12 seconds.
Okay, so just now I have completed the 4th kilometers and the pace was 6 minutes 12 seconds, little more than 6 minutes. I haven't completed the 5th kilometers yet and it is getting very tough, believe me. Last day when I ran 10 kilometers, it was not that tough. I don't know because of the summer has started or why I'm feeling very tired in the 5th kilometer itself. but I will try my best to finish this total course of 12 kilometers. I don't know I will or not, but I will try my best. It's becoming very hard for me to vlog while running, so I will.
Distance
Yeah.
5
See this.
kilometers.
5 kilometers completed.
Duration 32 minutes 22 seconds. Pace 6 minutes 9 seconds
Okay.
per kilometer.
This was 6 minutes 9 kilometers, so I'm feeling that if I vlog while running I wouldn't be able to maintain the pace. That's why I will not talk much. I will just record the finishing line sound after every kilometer. So let's catch up the pace again. Let's go. Okay.
Distance 6 kilometers. Duration 38 minutes 26 seconds. Pace,
Pace.
6 minutes 3 seconds
Yeah.
per kilometer.
So this time it was 6 minutes and 3 seconds pace. So as I didn't talk much, I was running. So this time also I'm going to do the same. This is the 7th kilometer going on 6.4. Let's go. Talk less, run more. I'm getting myself a little relaxed by breathing more deeper while running. I haven't stopped yet. I've completed 7 kilometers and I'm maintaining a pace of 6 minutes and 20 seconds on an average. Come on, একাই কথা বলে যাচ্ছি, লোক পাগল ভাবছে। দুপুরবেলা রোদ উঠে গেছে মাথার উপরে, and this mad guy is running, okay, like anything, and he's talking to the camera, okay, all by himself. No one is there with him, so it's like completely I've gone mad. But you know, why am I doing this? I want to motivate you, I want to inspire you to run, to walk, to take care of your physical health, to do regular exercise. Yeah, because it's important for the survival nowadays. So in this era of technology and comfort, if you want to live healthy, if you want to, take the pleasure of this awesomely designed new technological world, like a beautiful world, you have to be fit. No matter how much wealth you have, if you're not fit, then you can't enjoy anything. So get fit, be fit, stay happy, stay healthy. Let's go, another 5 kilometers to complete. So I'm about to finish the 8th kilometer. So I'm happy, quite happy, because with this round I'm going to finish the 2/3 of the total course. That is 8 kilometers out of 12 kilometers. And let's see what's going to be the pace for this kilometer.
Distance
Yeah.
8 kilometers. Duration 50 minutes 22 seconds. Pace
Pace.
5 minutes 56
Okay.
seconds.
So there is an improvement of taking the breathe more deeply. 5 minutes 52 or 56 seconds. So it's little less than 6 minutes. Another 4 kilometers to go. Let's go. So it's like I'm feeling to giving up. I'm just going to complete 9th kilometers and not even 10. Before that I'm feeling like giving up the course, because another 3 kilometers I don't know how I will finish this. I'm completely tired. 3 kilometers left and still I'm maintaining
Distance
the pace of
9 kilometers.
listening to this.
Duration 56 minutes 22 seconds. Pace 5 minutes 59
my God.
seconds per kilometer.
So I'm maintaining a pace. Means this round pace was 5 minutes and 59 seconds. But literally I'm feeling to giving up. But I will not. Let's see. Let's go for the 10th kilometers. আর পারছি না. It's going to be 10 kilometers. এখনো 10 কিলোমিটার হয়নি, আরো 2 কিলোমিটার বাকি আছে. Yet 2 more kilometers to go, and I'm trying my best to maintain the pace. So it is little more than 6 minutes this time.
Distance 10 kilometers. Duration 1 hour 2 minutes 32 seconds. Pace 6 minutes 10 seconds
Yeah.
per kilometer.
So 6 minutes and 10 seconds, but I'm literally feeling to give up. Last 2 kilometers, I don't know how কিভাবে complete করবো আমি জানি না, but yeah, I will, I have to. না এখনো give up করিনি, even pace একটু বেশি আছে. I'm talking less and running more, so I'm going to complete 11 kilometers. You can listen to this.
Distance 11 kilometers. Duration 1 hour 8 minutes 40 seconds. Pace 5 minutes 42 seconds per
So
kilometer.
not 5 but 5 minutes and 42 seconds, and with this I've completed the 11th kilometer, no, the last kilometer. I will talk to you after finishing this up and will show you what is the total pace and time. Let's go. Talk less, run more. Last 200 meters to go, and I'm maintaining 5 minutes and 30 second pace this time. The last kilometer, which is unexpected. So if you push yourself, you can do anything. So yeah, it's going to be finished very soon. Another 100 meters.
Distance 12 kilometers.
Finished 12 kilometers.
1 hour 13 minutes 40 seconds. Pace,
Pace,
5
5
minutes 26
26 seconds.
per
So,
kilometer.
oh, yes, I did it. I did it. Man, the last round, I completed 5 minutes 28 seconds, and the total duration distance was 12 kilometers. It was a cross-country run. Okay, and I'm blessed that I can express myself after a huge run this morning. So after the stretching session, I'm a little bit relaxed now, and I can talk properly. So seriously, I'm feeling very happy that I have completed. For him, it's not an issue. 16 kilometers is just
But I couldn't complete my target today.
yeah, because of his natural call. Otherwise, he could have completed his 16 kilometers.
Yeah, always remember that whenever you are going for a run in the morning, freshen up completely with.
Yeah. Otherwise, no matter how long and how big your target is, it may blast anywhere in between the track. So, what should I say in the closing? So, okay. So, don't worry if you can't run in the beginning. Just start walking and give yourself a target. Okay.
Yeah, go out and try.
Go out and try. If you
Fun.
Yeah. If you think to run by sitting at the bed in the morning, you can't start ever. যদি বাইরে গিয়ে করো 5 কিলোমিটার যদি পসিবল নাও হয়, you can do 2, 3, gradually you can increase your course.
Yeah, and one thing, the limitations is in your mind only. Because for the beginner, when they start running, they think like, I cannot run that much distance.
Yeah.
I'm out of breath.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
But it's not like that. The limitations in your mind. First 2 kilometers to 1 kilometer will be the hardest, because in those distance, your muscles will adapt. Okay, so
Okay.
it will be a little bit paining will be there here and there. So after the first 2 kilometers to 1 kilometer, you'll get in the rhythm, and it just flows after that.
And I am the big example. When I was running with him back in 2018,
Yeah.
and I was not able to run even a kilometer. I remember.
You were giving excuse like doctor said me not to run long distance.
Yeah, right. Yeah, doctor said me, but now I'm running 12 kilometers cross country. Wow, I can't believe this. So if you listen to your doctors and the people around you, and if you listen to your mind, firstly, if you listen to your mind that I can't, seriously, you can't understand my health. You may be talking, you may be someone else. You can't understand my body type. I can't run, but you are wrong, dear.
You have to push him.
Yeah. So go out and try something today itself, not tomorrow. Tomorrow will never come. Try it today. Okay? So all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep exercising every day. Talk less and run more.